Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA 300 4MATIC. This comes in a gray exterior and has a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and GLA 300 badging, power opening and closing trunk, do have the premium Burmester sound system throughout the vehicle. And rear seats here. Memory seats, heated seats, driver seat control here, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 46,493. We do have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation, radio, backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.